Drivin Ivan here with a lot of Porsche 911s and other Porsches all around. I'm going to walk you around this, well, it's the Restored Racers, they call themselves. This group that's local to the DC area, and, well, we've got a lot of air-cooled and other cars, Porsches. But primarily this was an air-cooled event. So I'll walk you around and show you all the cars. Why not? Start with mine. If you search, I bought the cheapest Porsche 911 on YouTube. You'll see my full review of this one. I've had it for many, many years. And, oh, love it. White gauges inspired me to put on the white leather interior there. So I did that. Restored the interior. This one's got a beautiful interior. Porsche. This is, of course, the purest, well, not even purest, I think, because it's kind of out there. But Porsche interior is famous for Porsches. You see it in a lot of 928s. Kind of that checkerboard look. Beautiful. This one's got more modern wheels like mine as well. Yeah, maybe these are stock wheels. I can't. Let's see. What year is this? Yeah, this is a 964. This is what they make Singers out of. I had a Carrera 4 Cabriolet like this one, and here's another Carrera 4. This one a 993. This is the last of the air-cooled Porsche 911s right here. They went until like 1998. And then we got the 996. So there you go. A couple 356s here, and yeah, got a full driving review of that one too. We have a beautiful 64, which is last year of the 356. You had many different examples, many different years. Notice it sounds like a Volkswagen 356C here.
See the tail lights?
Porsche 90. Super 90, I believe they called these. 1963. Lovely, huh? Yeah, you bet. Another 993. It's pretty cold today. First kind of cold day we've had. But it's nice to see a good turnout. This one's kind of got a bit of an outlaw look. Very nice. Turbo. Targa over there. This is the cool sort of Targa that they got into, which you know, you used to be able to remove the tops over there on mine, but this one just slides back. Very cool. Very cool. Almost bought one of these once. Probably should have. Oh well. Do have two 911s. I have a 996 as well. And 5 Porsches. Just posted a video on those actually. So check those out on YouTube. But
yeah, exactly.
Yeah. More modern. 991, 992. Here's a 996. You can tell because of the fried egg headlights. Not very popular with Porsche purists who wanted the round headlights. But owning one, I have many videos on these, and I tell you why they're so great. And they are great. They really are. Incredible cars. Interesting wheels on this one. This is a Carrera, I believe. Different steering wheels, so you can't tell. Yeah. They were called Carreras basically from 84 to 89, after the 911 SC, 78 to 83, which is my light blue metallic over there. These two are quite nice. This one looks great. Porsche script on the side. You had Porsche script little handles here as well, and you can see those. My 944 had those. See my 944 review. 944 I used to have. Wow. Definitely taking a lot out of that engine. Looks pretty cool. Really nice. This one looks great. There it is, that famous Porsche 6. The heart of the 911. They've gone to turbocharging now, the new ones. 3-liter turbocharged. Of course, they have much larger engines available too, depending on the model. Nice Carrera here. Gray interior, also a 996. 944. .993 twin turbo, I believe is what we're looking at here. The tail and everything, these are really quick. There it is, the fastest air-cooled Porsche stock. 993 turbo. Go. Cayman. I like the Boxster. I mean, if you're gonna go with that one, why not be able to put the top down? But a lot of people do like the Cayman, so that's okay. Still a Porsche. Show the interior too of the Cayman. Why not? Since it's here. There you go. Did you enjoy your drive this morning?
I did.
Of course you did. Everybody.
Everybody.
On Porsche. Of course. Everybody enjoys it. Why wouldn't you? Buddy Bob's DP Motorsport, total beast. They actually produced the 935.
Yeah.
And yeah, they did that for Porsche. This is a great looking resto mod here. Outlaw 911. A lovely 944 the S2 convertible. This one looks great.
That's the only reason.
Yeah. Beast. Don't worry, I'll walk over there and show it to you. Ooh, the wind. Terrible.
Oh, nice.
Go. Classic 944. This upgrade a bit with the steering wheel and things. Looks a little better, actually. Nice job there. Showing you all these. I'll walk over here. Show you this beast. What a beast it is. Oh, leave it open for a sec. Can you open it back up? Just want to take a look inside, see what's got in there. Yeah, it's lovely blue interior, blue and white, just like mine. One of these days I'll bring up my blue and white interior 635. I have white leather in my light blue metallic Porsche because I have white gauges. So I put in light white leather with blue piping, just like this one.
Very nice.
Yeah, I love the look. What a beast.
Wow, you must be driving fast.
Oh yeah.
Love it.
New,
All right,
new
down to
record.
the
New
Caymans.
record. 35 last time. Now I got it.
All these Caymans in a row. May as well show you those too, of course, right?
But I like it because it's like all like black and white.
Cayman RS, the beast. Little Boxster here. No? Not a Boxster. Yeah. The newer 911. Turbo S. Yeah. So yeah, I've driven the modern ones on the track. Now they're all turbos now. They are all turbos. And you open this up now and you can't see a damn thing. Just a couple fans. So that's the way they've gone. They're huge now. But man, are they fun. Like I said, I've driven on the track. Not the turbo here, but just the standard 991 and 992. You can find those elsewhere on YouTube. But amazing cars. They really are. And Porsches. There is no substitute. And I think that's true. They really are amazing cars. Check out my collection of all 5 of mine. And yeah, it's to me the best overall car. There's my 82 Targa,
Yeah, mine's about
white leather. Again, check that out at I Bought the Cheapest Porsche 911 on YouTube, and you'll see my video there. Have you smashed that like button yet? Subscribed? I sure hope you have. Check out my disc golf videos. Great game. You should be playing with your whole family. I'm going to play later today. And also check out my music videos. Hotel California. Free Your Mind music video has some of my car collection in it. Also my musical instrument collection. I do guitar reviews and post lots of songs as well, original songs like Free Your Mind, like I said. And what else we got out there? Andy Warhol's life in Pittsburgh. I want to see about that. Jim Morrison's life in Alexandria. You never know what you're going to find on my page. So subscribe to Ivan Katz Productions also. And TikTok, The Real Drivin Ivan. Drivin Ivan Katz, leaving off the G on my Instagram and YouTube. Again, thank you for watching. I'm Drivin Ivan.